Hey, what is up going on everybody? Your buddy Tech of God is back with another video on YouTube, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing y'all that how y'all can use Android 8.0 emojis in any other Android. Well, yes, you're listening right, you can do that. Well, I have noticed that most of the people want to use and experience Android 8.0 emojis on their phone, but the problem is that their phone don't have Android 8.0 in order to do so. So, but I'm here to fix that. I'm here to fix that problem, and that's why I decided to make a video about it, that how you can use Android 8.0 emojis no matter what type Android version your device have. So without wasting any motherfucking time, let's get started with the Tech of God style. Hey guys, as you can see I'm here with my Android device. So before we get started, I would like to show you that my device don't have Android 8.0 operating system and Android 8.0 emojis. So first, let me show you whether if I have Android 8.0 emojis in my phone or not. Well, as you can see here, these emojis look more familiar to the Android 6.0 emojis, so that means that I don't have Android 8.0 emojis on my phone. And let me show you whether if I have Android 8.0 operating system or not. Well, as you can see right here guys, my device don't have Android 8.0 Android operating system. As you can see, it says Android version Android 6.0.1, which is Android Marshmallow. So all you need to do in order to use Android 8.0 emojis is just to open your Play Store, and then after you will have to search emoji switcher. Well, at the above, as you can see, here is the app that will help you to do the whole procedure. Well, what does this app do is that it will switch the inbuilt Android emojis. Means that you can change the inbuilt emojis of your Android phone. So all you have to do is just to install this app on your phone, and your phone must be rooted in order to do the whole procedure. So my phone is rooted and I have already installed this app on my phone. So after doing all these simple steps, all you need to do is just to open the application, okay, and you'll have to wait for it to get open. And here is the app. As you can see, emoji switcher, you will get the interface like this, and whenever an ad pops up on your screen, just skip the ad. So when the app opens, all you need to do is just to swipe. So a pop-up will appear for taking the root access, so you had to grant this app the root permission. Well, I have already done that. So after that, tap on start. So here is the list of types of emojis that you can install on your device, like iOS emojis, Facebook emojis, WhatsApp emojis, Twitter emojis, One emojis, Android emojis, Samsung emojis, and other emojis. So in my case, I want to install Android 8.0 emojis, so I will tap on Android, and when you tap on the Android, you will get these three, like Android Pie, Android Oreo, and Android Nougat. So in my case, I want to install Android 8.0 emojis, so I will select Android Oreo and I will tap on install, and this warning will appear. Are you sure you want to install this emoji pack? You'll have to tap on install, and it will ask you for the storage permission. Allow it. So after doing all these steps, this message will appear. Tap on reboot now, and then your device will be rebooted. Now you'll have to wait. Well, so now my phone is successfully rebooted. So So let's see if I have got Android 8.0 emojis on my phone or not. Let me show you. Well, as you can see here guys, it worked. It successfully worked. I have got Android 8.0 emojis, as you can see. These emojis are Android 8.0 emojis, as you can see. And these emojis are working perfectly fine. That means that it worked. So well guys, so I showed you that how you all can use Android 8.0 emojis in any other Android. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Most important, like and share, and I will see you all homies in my next video. So for now, peace out, have a good day, see you in the next one.